How to create WhatsApp automation reply message for business. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to create WhatsApp automation reply message for business. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So we all know that it's not possible for you to be available 24/7. You need to have some time to do personal things and sleep. So that's why WhatsApp launched a setting that will help you reply even if you're not around. So to do that, just head over to your Play Store and just download WhatsApp Business. Now once you have downloaded that, just log into your account. So let's open WhatsApp Business, and in here you can see our home page. So what we need to do is to just head over and click on the three dots on the upper right corner, and then from in there you can see the business tools. So just click on business tools right there, and you will see here all your business tools. So what you need to do next is you can see here all of this. Under the messaging, you can see this away message. So just click on away message right here, and in here you can enable send away message. So let's enable it. And then from in here you can see the pencil icon, so just click on that in order to edit your away response. So in here the automatic away response is thank you for your message, we're unavailable right now but will respond as soon as possible. You can edit this as long as you want. So for example, you want it to be we'll get back to you like that, and then click on OK. Then from in here you can also click the schedule send. You can always send it, you can custom schedule, or you can just choose this outside of business hours. So in order to set up outside of business hours, you first need to set up your business hours before using that option. So make sure to set up that one first. So in here in the recipients, you can see click on this, and in here you can receive your away message to everyone not in address book, everyone except, or only send to. You just need to choose what fit best to you. Then once you're satisfied with everything, just click on the save option and it will be saved. Now once someone has messaged you outside of business hours or anything that you're not available, then they will receive that automatic reply. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to create WhatsApp automation reply for business. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.